Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today we have a special guest.
Yo!
I hate when you do that.
It's cool because the people know me. And I'm here on Yvette Loves Beauty TV. There we go. Let's go. Let's do this. So what are we doing today?
Anyway, so today is a very exciting video because I have partnered with FabFitFun, okay?
What is FabFitFun?
We're gonna do an unboxing of the FabFitFun Spring 2018 box. I'm really excited. I have been wanting to subscribe to FabFitFun for the longest, and I don't know why I haven't. I just haven't gotten around to it, but they reached out to me and asked if they could send me a box, and of course I said yes. So here we are. We're just gonna unbox this.
What exactly is FabFitFun?
We're getting to that. I thought it would be fun if my husband unboxed it with me. As you can see, this is a huge ass box that you get. So
is there anything in here for me?
I don't know. We have to open it. I haven't opened it.
Oh, okay.
So if you do not know what FabFitFun is, basically it is a box, and I'm saying this for you too.
Okay.
It's a subscription box. You know I get those boxes every month.
That you pay for? Yeah. Yes, I know about those boxes. Anyway,
it's a subscription box like that. However, you don't get a box every month. It is a seasonal subscription box. So you get one 4 times a year. So every 3 months. Every 3 months is actually really great for me because if you guys haven't seen my video, it'll either be up right before this or right after this. I just did a declutter in my makeup collection on one of my drawers, and it was a drawer full of samples just from all of the boxes that I was getting every month, and it's way too much stuff. I gave away most of it. I never seem to use all of that stuff, and so having a box come every 3 months is a lot better than one every single month. Not only that, but this box actually has full-size products in it. So you're not getting a box full of samples. You are getting full-size products, and every single box has over $200 worth of product in it. The box is $49.99 every 3 months, but I have a $10 off coupon code for you guys. So for your first box, you can get it for $39.99. My code is Yvette10. I will leave it on the screen and also down below. So make sure you check out FabFitFun and use my code to save you a little coin.
So you get like real stuff that you go to the store and buy? Like not like little, oh wow.
Yeah. For
$50 a month. I'm excited to see what's in this.
$50 every 3 months.
Oh, I'm sorry. $50 every 3 months. So I'm excited to see what's in this box, and hopefully it's something that I can use.
First off, I love all different types of women are on this box. So you have women with deeper skin tones. You have an Asian woman on here. You see it? You have an Asian woman on here. You have women of all types with some natural hair on here with her afro.
Looking at this box, I would assume that there is nothing in this box for me.
Maybe. We don't know. Alright, so the first thing I see when I open up the box is actually this coupon. This is a coupon for
Hello Fresh.
Hello Fresh. And oh,
that salad looks great.
Sure does.
For one of those.
You get $50 off, so $25 off your first 2 boxes with HelloFresh plus free shipping.
Oh, that's like another kind of thing like this box but food?
Well, they send you, I think HelloFresh sends you meals in a box, and then you can cook with all the ingredients in it.
Oh, that's something like we was talking about before.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
So if we use it within 30 days, we get $50 off. Hold on to that.
Yeah, that's cool.
The next thing that I see in the box is this right here, and this says FabFitFun 2018 Spring Edition, a little magazine like this. And I've watched a few of these unboxings, so I think they do this every single box. They put one of these magazines in it just to go over the products that are actually in the box so you know what you're getting. All right. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in this box, you guys. What's the first thing? What you pulling out?
Something for me. Skin perfecting lotion. I'm actually trying to get my skin together. So that's
what's the brand?
I'm not even Murad.
Murad. This is the Skin Perfecting Lotion by Murad, and it's supposed to be a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extract. So Murad is actually a really great brand. I'm pretty sure this is at least $30 or $40. I'm gonna put the prices of everything on the screen and then we'll tally it up at the end of this video. All right, so I'll pull out the next product. This is the Ish Lip Statement Palette. I think I received something from Ish in one of my other subscription boxes. And yeah, I feel like I really liked it, but I can't quite remember exactly if I have tried the brand or not. But I think I did. So it comes like this. Just open it up.
Oh, all right.
All right, so it is a full lipstick palette.
They make lipstick palettes?
Yeah. So now you can mix and match colors and all of that, and it makes it easier. And then it's good for travels. You know, I wouldn't have to take like 12 lipsticks. There's 12 lipsticks right here, and I can travel.
Cool. Now that's pretty cool. Now I've never. And how do you apply it though without a lipstick? Oh,
the brush.
You can brush on lipstick. All right. Guess you can do. All right, there we go. I did not know you can brush on lipstick.
Oh right. Yeah. What's the next thing?
Oh, I like this Dove exfoliating body polish. I can use some of this stuff.
See?
I'm trying to get my skin together, so like, yeah, all this skin or exfoliating stuff, yeah, I'm all about that. I won't buy that stuff, but I will use hers.
So in the shower or bath, you scoop a generous amount of body polish with your hand, spread all over your body in a circular motion and rinse. Follow with Dove body wash or Dove beauty bar. All right.
Oh, so I can get all my skin exfoliated. Exfoliate the whole body.
What is that?
I'm exfoliating. But you gotta rub it in. Ain't that what you be telling me? Like, don't be too rough. Just like apply and
what did I gotta do with this?
Because I'm rubbing it in. I'm exfoliating my body.
Whatever.
I'm just saying.
All right, here's the next product in here. I have no idea what this is. It's in a little pouch by KNC Beauty.
Some army fatigue.
Oh, I actually got one of these. I think I got some of these in a BoxyCharm. And these are the all-natural collagen-infused lip masks. So they really just plump your lips up.
Oh, I can't use that. My lips are already thick.
So yeah, I've gotten these in a BoxyCharm. I have not used them, but I definitely plan on trying them. I'm going to do it in an upcoming video.
What exactly do these do?
Plump your lips. So, you know, people get collagen in their lips. They get lip fillers and stuff. So this is like a natural way to do it without getting lip fillers, and it just plumps your lips up.
So,
wait, take this stuff off of it first.
Oh, look at that. This is a massage roller by Physique 57.
I thought it was a sex toy.
It did kind of look like a sex toy. You kind of mean...
How's it go?
I don't...
Let's see.
You gotta get... Yeah. Oh, see? Oh. That's better than your massages. Oh, yeah. That will definitely... That will work. That's better than any hand massage you ever get. Your weak massages. Oh, I can lay out on the bed. Oh, I like this box.
Oh yeah, so this is a good one. This is good for you.
57. I like this. I'm liking this box. It's not like directly. It didn't mean to affect my life, but it's affecting my life, and I like the effect that it's having on my life right now. So I'm dope. I'm cool with these products so far.
Anyway,
I'm cool with FabFitFun.
The next product that we have are this is by Atika. I think that's what it says. Atika Los Angeles, and they're just a pair of earrings.
I'm happy that you're pronouncing that and not me.
A pair of cute little earrings. I think it's Atika.
E-T-T-I-K-A.
Atika. All right, what's next?
Let's go for something else. Find something else for me. So this is number 15, Fresh Linen. Let's see what this is. Sunset Collection.
Open it up.
I don't exactly know what's going on with this or what it's supposed to. Oh, it's a candle. No, I love candles. Oh, that smells really good. That smells like our room when we went to Mexico.
Does it?
Not Mexico. Was it or the other one we went to? Not Mexico. Punta Cana.
But it's really pretty.
It's like a really like.
It's a cute color.
Not exotic, but like foreign. It's like it don't smell. It smells like.
It's fresh linen.
I don't know. Well, maybe that's why, because they change our sheets every day. Every day. So but maybe that's why.
First off, this is cute to like sit up on a mantle or something.
Yeah, that is it. That is.
Yeah, that's really cute.
That is cute. I like that.
Put that back there.
I didn't know what was going on with that. I was kind of reading the box, and I'm like, oh, what exactly is what fresh linen? Yeah, that makes sense.
All right, so we still have 3 more products in here, it looks like. The next product, something by Rachel Pally. Not quite sure what this is. Oh,
it's a purse.
It's a clutch, and it's very cute and springy. Oh my God, this is so cute.
I have like Miami got like Miami written all over it.
Not Cleveland, Ohio?
No, that does not. Not especially not in February.
Well, this is the spring box, so spring is coming. So this is actually really cute, and I could see myself wearing this this spring and summer. I really like this.
This is a lot. This is really a dope box for $40. This is a really dope box. All right, so free. This is a Free People and Understated leather. This is just like a sleep mask.
Fancy. It's leather.
Yeah, this is like a sleep mask. I feel like well, Tony.
Let's see how you look at it.
I feel like Tony.
Tony.
From Girlfriends.
Oh my God.
I feel like Tony from Girlfriends or something like this. Or even oh yeah.
Oh, you fancy.
I could get with this. Could be perfect for like you and like when we just up in the room and you be like hating that I come upstairs and I watch SportsCenter to fall asleep. You can just put this on. You ain't gotta worry about
the light. It's the noise.
Well, I listen to the TV.
You can't watch it on silent.
I listen to the TV on low, but this would be perfect for some. I like this. I ain't never went to sleep with one of these things. I always thought these things was weird, but I guess it would be like a scarf you just get used to. But I like that, and it's like heavy. I feel like it's like gel on the inside of it.
Yeah, that do feel real comfortable.
Yeah, that's sweet.
I do got a gel pad on that side.
Oh yeah, that's sweet.
And the last product that came in the box was the Dermalect Comaceuticals Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. Keratin Peptide Infused. What is this?
I look like fingernail polish.
Oh, it does. Is it a ridge filler for your nails? Combines 2 extraordinary anti-aging ingredients in one innovative treatment. Oh, it does say nail treatment. Yeah. How do you have an anti-aging nail treatment? Supposed to. So, yeah, this just goes on your nails.
My nails looking white.
Let me see.
I need to get what they say. You need to push I look dainty doing stuff like this. Oh, it's popping. I ain't painting I used to paint my fingernails with the clear polish back in the day.
Oh, that's cute. Look at
her. I
her.
look dainty. Why are you trying to make me look dainty? That's cool. Whatever. That dude look. Dang, my nails. Look at that side by side though. That clear. How clear it is compared to my other fingernail. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Wow.
I think your nail looks younger.
I don't know. Yeah. I don't know about younger. Definitely is a lot clearer and shiny. It looks good. I tell you. I can say that. Wow. Look how the light is popping off of my fingernail now. That is crazy. Wow.
Okay. So first off, I'm hooked. I think this was a great box. What do you think?
I think this was pretty dope. I mean, for all the stuff that you get in this box for $50 for free shipping, right?
Free shipping.
$50 plus free with free shipping. This is I would take this box and it's not even for me.
So the entire box came up to $347 and you would only pay $49.99 for it. So I would definitely recommend FabFitFun. I am so excited about this unboxing. Like, I'm in love with this box. So if you're interested in FabFitFun, like I said, go ahead, check out the links below. Use my coupon code, save yourself $10, and you can get this spring box for $10 off. So if you like what you saw here, Why he still up here playing with this massager, y'all? So if you like what you saw here, definitely check out the link below. Check out their website. You'll learn a little more about the box. And this box was dope AF, for real.
I'm gonna be exfoliating my body tomorrow with this. I like this product. But yeah, this was dope.
So anyway, if you enjoyed this and enjoy my videos, you want to see my hubby on a few more videos, make sure you like, thumbs up this video, and also comment down below. And if you like to see us together and you want to see us more chilled in our element, make sure you're following our family vlog channel.
Bradley TV.
Bradley TV. It'll be right here on the screen, and it's always down below in the description box. Click that link, go over there, subscribe so you never miss an upload.
Yep, just simple vlogs, what we doing, challenges, all that good stuff.
Make sure you're also subscribed to this channel if you are not. Join the family, and I think that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I will talk to you in the next video.
Peace.
Bye.